Hello friends, what we have here is a dataset in columns A, B, C, D, E, having details of the monthly income streams and the breakdown of their sources. There are multiple income sources under the main income streams. Now, suppose we need to look at all the income sources for a particular income stream in a single cell. How can we do it? Even filters and pivot tables can't fulfill this requirement. Well, there is a special function in Excel which is called the TextJoin. TextJoin can get this done in some really simple steps. Let's see how. Firstly, to make TextJoin function work accurately, we need to make the source database unique for each record while removing all the duplicate records. This can be done by simply using the Remove Duplicates option of Excel. We have already done that, as you can see in columns G and H. Now, we just need to list down all the unique income streams in one column, which you can see in column J. In column K, we shall be applying the TextJoin function. In cell K3, type is equal to TextJoin. Then under the delimiter argument, we shall use a vertical slash in double quotes. Here, we can use any delimiter such as comma, space, and others. After adding the delimiter, the next argument is to indicate if we need to include empty cells or not. So, we type true for ignoring the empty cells. We would have used false if empty cells were to be included. Now, the next argument requires us to add the text or data which needs to be combined, and for this, we shall use an if function to automatically list all the income sources for that particular income stream. We type the if formula, and under the logical test, we select the income streams from G3 to G16, and if this is equal to the unique list of income stream in cell J3, then under value if true, we select the income sources from H3 to H16. And for value if false condition, we add two double quotes as we need to keep it blank, then close the bracket for the if function, and then again close the bracket for the TextJoin function. Now, as you can see, Excel has returned all the income sources for the licensing income stream in cell K3 with our defined delimiter. Similarly, we drag the formula for the subsequent rows, and we get our results in one single cell. It's so easy. In this way, we can use the TextJoin function to combine data present in multiple cells in one single cell without having to do it manually. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if yes, please share it with your Excel buddies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.